So Ruslan, how is your product different from other remote metering?
We are a company based in Republic of Moldova. It's a small country, and I mean it's not very well known in the world. So in order to be competitive enough, we have to bring something new, something revolutionary to the market in order to grow interest specifically in our product or in our solution. So we have to be wise enough to make things in a different way than the competitors do. When we started designing smart metering solutions, it was more than 20 years ago. We were the first to introduce into the smart meters two-way communication and a disconnection relay. At the time when we introduced this possibility, all solutions of our competitors were only remote meter readings. So basically, the meters were producing some values and sending them at specific intervals. It was like once a day or once per month. Nothing more that these meters could do. At the time when our solution was allowing not only to read the meters but also manage the consumption, send specific commands to the meter, connect or disconnect electricity remotely. For about 9 or 10 years, we were leaders in the market with this kind of innovations. Of course, we were trying to design some more functionality, to add this functionality on the meters. And at this time, all the solutions that were provided on the market were proprietary. Each company was coming with their own inventions, their own ideas, their own functionality. The meters were not interchangeable, so you couldn't, in a smart metering solution, in a communication infrastructure, you couldn't install a meter of a different vendor, because it wouldn't work with the other meters. It wouldn't be compatible. About 10 years ago, the utilities started thinking that this situation is no longer suitable for them, because when you start working with a specific vendor, you are already tied up with this vendor, and as long as you cannot change the meters and install the meters from other vendor into the same infrastructure, the vendor you are tied up with can put certain conditions. Raise the prices, for example, or reduce the quality of the product, and you don't really have a choice. Like a utility company, like electricity company, obviously you are not happy with it. So they introduced the concept of interoperability, where the meters from different vendors and the communication equipment from different vendors was supposed to work in the same network together. In order to reach this interoperability, the companies started creating certain standards. So, like since more than 10 years, the specific standards were introduced, and the meter vendors had to design meters according to the standards to make them interchangeable, interoperable, and compatible within the same network.